8. Honorable members, since there is no corrections to be made, I so rule that the minister to submit the bill in the form of a statement as informing to the House. I may now move back to private business and invite the Minister for Gender, in accordance with item 6 of the order paper, to present the statement on the media review of the bill for the fiscal year 2025. Minister, you may do so.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. A bill to be led by Minister of Gender, Honorable Wafrik, Member of Parliament for Agency on anti-LGBT bill on 27th May 2025. Mr. Speaker, I rise today to introduce a bill aimed at upholding Nigeria's values, culture, and family services. The bill seeks to strengthen existing laws and provisions that protect our society from activities perceived contrary to our cultural norms and public morality. Mr. Speaker, the promotion of proper sexual human contact proposed to explicitly prohibit same-sex